Hey, welcome back to Doc Wonders channel, your go-to for health and wellness. Today, we're diving into iron-rich foods, uncovering what fuels your vitality. Let's jump right in. Understanding the importance of iron. Before we explore the food sources, let's quickly touch on why iron is so crucial for our bodies. Iron plays a vital role in carrying oxygen through our bloodstream, supporting energy production, and maintaining overall vitality. A deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and a range of health issues. Now, let's jump into the top iron-rich foods. 1. Spinach, the leafy powerhouse. First up on our list is the leafy powerhouse, spinach. Packed with non-heme iron, spinach is not only nutritious but also versatile in the kitchen. Whether in salads, smoothies, or sautés, adding spinach to your diet can significantly contribute to your iron intake. 2, 3, and 4. Lean meats, iron from chicken, turkey, and beef. Next, let's talk about iron from animal sources. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and beef are rich in heme iron, which is easily absorbed by the body. Including these in your meals ensures a robust iron supply for optimal health. 5 and 6. Legumes and beans, plant-based iron sources. For our plant-based friends, fear not. Legumes and beans, such as lentils and chickpeas, are excellent sources of iron. They're not only nutritious but also affordable and easy to incorporate into various dishes. 7. Fortified cereals, breakfast boosters. Looking for a breakfast boost? Many cereals are fortified with iron. Check the labels and choose whole grain options to start your day with a healthy dose of this essential mineral. Conclusion. And there you have it. Some fantastic iron-rich foods to fuel your body with vitality. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet is key to overall well-being, and iron is a crucial player in that game. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy. Thanks for joining us on Doc Wonders channel. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite iron-rich recipes, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video next Saturday.